Hello, everyone. I wanted to hop on here with a quick video and show off the CSCAN da- data mapper. So basically, this is part of the pipeline integrity module, but it can be used as a standalone. So we would place our project information here. This is where we set up our report folders and also your logos and cover sheet images. Then we jump right into the CSCAN. So you have your normal capabilities, import CSCAN, the bulk import, which is awesome. I actually imported 40 scans the other day. And once you bring those in, you're able to move those around however your AUT system was placed on the piece of equipment and apply those to the layout. And if you need to move these a little bit, there's a little offset here that lets you line them up. As you can see down here, the indication table is fully populated with every indication on that scan pretty much immediately. And then from there, you have your raw data. You have your cross-sectional, the cross-sectional cutout. And you can also make this full screen if you'd like, so you can really take a look at your indications. So it kind of hides it away. That's very useful for PCs that have smaller monitors or laptops or even touch screens. From there, you'd be able to place your photos. And in your photos, you'd be able to list your AUT locations here. You also have options to how many photos, how many columns, just a little customizable area, and then directly into the report. So you can change your logo size. You can also customize the order of your report. If you wanted something moved or started on a new page, you would just click that. If you wanted to remove it, you just remove it from there. But we're going to go back to the information here. So we actually have trending capabilities. So within the trend data, you would be able to select, let me get down to the folder real quick. You'd be able to select old scans and new scans. So if these were the old set and this was the new set, once you brought them in, it would tell you what the trending difference was. So basically, how much loss have we had since the last inspection? And they're both overlaid on each other. So you can pack your scans, bring them in, and there's a few buttons up here for this. Um, you can hide the current scans. You can show the current scans. You can report on both of the scans, so you get the old data and the new data, or you can only report on the current inspection. You do have the capability to use nominal thickness instead of the average thickness if you'd like. So you just apply that there, and there you go. So that's basically all for that, and then you would just compile the report. So we're going to open the report folder and then just hit compile. And once we got the report package, you would end up with the HTML interactive report, which is going to give you remaining life, OD, nominal thickness, and then you would have basically the current scan one, and then you'd have a previous scan one if you did both of them, just like that. Once you got down to the bottom, or if you moved it to the top of the sheet, you would actually have the interaction rules. You would actually have which indications are interacting with what and the trending for those indications. So those come in right here. So scan interaction rules, calculated interaction groups, and then of course they would link the indications together and basically tell you, you have growth here. So I thought that was a pretty cool feature to add to this. So if you're interested, please reach out and we can do a live demo. Thank you.